subscribe, like, click the bell, please.
Good morning, baby. Good morning. Muntik ka nang mahulog kagabi. Did you afraid? You almost dropped in the bed. I'm sorry. Love you, love you. Good morning, guys. My baby's birthday. In the Philippines, that was yesterday, January 13. Today, here in US, it's today, January 13. Yesterday, January 13. Today, here in US, it's today, January 13. Late po ang Pinas. So, meet my 8-year-old baby. Yay! Kaya 2-day celebration siya. Napaka-lazy girl niyan. Ako right now, 8 po dito. Ayan, tingnan niyo po. 8 a.m. na, pero andito pa rin kami dalawa. Ayan. Lambingan mo na kami sa morning. Tapos, tigpitan na ng bed. Tapos, wiwiwi na siya outside. Ginugupitan pa. Hindi ko ginugroom kasi malamig dito. Para hindi siya masyadong malamigan. Sabi ng daddy niya, mahaba na daw buhok niya. Wake up! Today that the Lord has made for my baby's birthday. You happy? It's your birthday. Sige, liquid na tayo. Liquid na si Mami. Ito. Baby sunshine ni Mami. Kanyang breakfast. I cooked some of ground beef. Niluto ko siya sa pumpkin and with carrots, potatoes, and cabbage without salt, no seasoning. So what I do here is I'm going to put some digestive enzyme on her food. Actually, only 1/4 teaspoon. So, ayan, minimix ko siya. Then, bibigay na yan sa kanya. Are you hungry? Yeah, kitty kitty. Okay, let's go. It's your food. Happy birthday, baby! Kit-kit naman yun. Ganda-ganda na. Happy birthday! Baby, this is Mommy's gift for you and Daddy. Tingnan natin ang gift ng baby natin. So, this is your new clothes. Gusto mo tang isuot, baby? Gusto mo ta? Eto, may bago siyang clothes. Smart and strong. May pink ang baby, ha? Gusto mo tong pink? Gusto niya pink. So, perfect little princess. And one more. Yay! This is your dress. Ang cute! Baby, Yay! Like the yellow? Tingnan natin ang birthday gift kay baby. Ayan, ang ganda. Wala! Ano ginagawa mo dyan? Sitting pretty ka. Ang cutie-cutie mo naman. Ang cutie-cutie. Ito na si baby, kaya lagyan natin siya ng yan. Sa kanya yan ngayon. Konti lang. Yan. Yan. Okay. I love. Ayaw matanggal. And you. Yeah. I love you, baby Asia. Siyempre, may bread ka din. Go, baby. Go, baby. Go. Go, baby. Go. Go eat. Go. Go. Yay! Happy birthday. Come on, come on. Mommy allowed you to eat that today. Only little, okay? Because it's your birthday. Don't care. It's all yours. Don't worry. Mommy allowed you to eat a little flavor. I usually make food flavor. Nagte-thank you siya.